Hello guys, today we are going to see about the IntelliJ idea framework and what are all the customization we are going to do. Okay, let's quick dive into the IntelliJ idea and one by one we will see. First, coming to the how to create a new project, you have to go to the file. Under the file section, you have to click the project, and if you click the project, you can rename it to one code the dream. This was our project name, and just you by clicking button you can create that. It will show you a different option. One is in this window and another one is in new window. You can select a new window option and old project we can close. Yeah, now the IntelliJ idea which I am using is the latest version, which is 25.5 IntelliJ idea. Okay guys, here what are all the things on while creating the new package itself it is coming, we will see. The first thing is coming is main method, and inside the main class, inside the main class it is main method is there. Inside the main method the for loop will be there. Okay, now just we will run and execute what are all the results it's printing, we will see. We have started the build and it was hitting the debug button. Now you may ask, what is the purpose of the debug button? You may ask. Okay, debug button is it is the thing which we want to the program we need to check whether it is working properly or not. Okay, so after pressing the debug button, there will be option called evaluate. 1 minute, guys. Resume the program, stop the debug button, and yeah, this was the evaluate button. You just copy this one and paste it here, not this one. See, this was the evaluate button. You can able to see by pressing the loop was executing. That means here the for loop is a simple for loop we have created. I is starting from 1 and it's starting from 1 and incrementing by plus 111. So here the returns result has been printed. Okay, if you doesn't seen, one more time we will see. I'm again hitting the debug button. Now debug point it has been hitted, and first is I is equal to 1 because I is here it has been mentioned as a 1, and it should iterate. Here you can able to see the set value how it is getting its setting, you can able to see. Now we will pass 1, 2, 3, 5. Now you see I is equal to less than or equal to 5. Okay guys, now it will come out of the loop. Yes, this is how the breakpoint, the debug point, we have to check whether it is working properly or not. Uh, I hope you are people are understanding how the Java is from working, and by clicking this build button, you can see the rest of the thing jar files has been creating automatically. Okay, guys, and this was the syntax which, if for example, we have closed and we doesn't know where this in real time there will be lot of files will be there. We don't know how to find. Just by clicking this project pane you can open here, and these are all the class level files. Okay, 5 minutes. Yeah, that's all guys. about the creating the new package in the IntelliJ IDEA 2025. Let's go and check in the another class. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.